Hi, are you a working mom just like me? Well, it's time for you to stick on this channel. Hi, my name is Abbygale Arenas and welcome to It's a Beautiful Day. Get a page from my book. Well, this book it's called 88 Things Every Professional Should Know or Else. Now, I wrote this almost 4 years ago, and let me read this to you. This is about on being a working mom. As I'm writing this book, I'm nursing my 6-month-old baby while my 15-year-old son is playing his electric guitar. Their big gap is like being a brand new mom all over again. I went back to work 6 weeks after delivery because I needed to feel myself again. Luckily, my job does not require me to be there physically every day. I managed to exclusively breastfeed him and proud to say that I have 150 bags of frozen milk stocked in my deep freezer. My baby won't go hungry even when I'm out of town. So I wrote this almost 4 years ago, and I feel that today I need to share about it because one of the biggest challenge working from home is having a toddler disturbing me at his will, So this is kind of bit of a challenge. So I have some tips here. So number one, let go of the guilt. Your marriage will be more likely to thrive if you have something to focus on outside your home. Your partner will feel less financial pressure and you will help secure future earnings. If working is giving you self-fulfillment, then you can come home happy. Now, I've always been a working mom. So, siguro ito when I gave birth to my youngest, I had to stop working, but somehow it has helped with my relationship with my husband. There is always something to talk about, and I really like that about me working. Number two, find a quality child care. Even now that we are working from home, I'm very, very lucky that I have a very good yaya. So every time I would come here and start working, I ask her to do that. Now, I have always been lucky in attracting the right help. I started my search when I was 7 months pregnant, found 1 month later. The first 2 months were dedicated getting her to know us and vice versa. She was there when I delivered the baby. The moment she held him, I know that I can trust her with my precious. We take good care of her, and in return, she takes good care of our baby. One can never put a price on that. I am so lucky that I have Yaya Kathy with us, and she's like a family to us, and I know that she loves us the same. So she's a big part of this small family. Number three, stay connected during the day. Now, during time na face-to-face, thank God for FaceTime. Lunch breaks became my favorite time of the day because I can talk and see my baby while pumping and having lunch. I have no choice but to multitask. Out-of-town projects are extra hard because I know that he'll be looking for me for his night feedings. I'd FaceTime all my 3 boys before going to bed, and I'll spend extra time with the baby when the other 2 want to watch TV. I'll stay with him until he's exhausted and ready for bed. So ngayon, even kasi when I'm working here in this room, dedicated hours talaga. So if it is like a 3-hour or a full day webinar, I will be here. But every time I get a chance, let's say minsan may activity ako sa mga participants, I'd go there and hug him. I have this tiny little moments with him throughout the day. Number 4, spend time with your partner. Very important. Remember to nurture your relationship with your partner, who will often be the number 1 person by your side. My poor husband, he knows he only ranks 3rd in line First the baby, then our eldest, that's Ija, then him. When the baby was born, he had to sleep on the floor for 2 months because we're too scared we might hurt the baby. To solve that, we customized an extra large bed, too big that we are far from each other and the baby sleeps in the middle. Until on the baby's 5th month, he started complaining and asked for his rights. Cut the negotiations short, he finally has Sundays as Daddy's Day, either a date, movie, or just music. Soon, I'll be adding another day. Even if we are working moms, you know, we still need to make sure that we find time for our husband, maybe a date. Just the other day, he took me to the grocery store and that was our time together, kaming dalawa lang. Pero lagi niya sinasabi, para tayo mag-shota, parang mag-boyfriend-girlfriend. So we still have that kilig moments and I love that about him. And he is the most understanding husband in the world. I am so lucky. Number 5, create a special family activities. Every night, we try to have dinner all together. Sunday Mass has always been a priority on weekends for my family. And a short trip to the grocery for movie snacks after dinner. Family trips, local, international, are our favorites. In the end, it doesn't really matter what you do as long as you do it together. And this still applies up to now. Even while in quarantine, we try to do things together. We have movie dates pa rin. Just last night, we decided to put up the big LCD screen, which I used during training. So nilagay namin yan. And then nag-movie night kami sa sala. And with popcorn, you know. So it's very important to create family special activities. And number 6, finally, take care of yourself. By managing time wisely, you can fit in valuable me time regularly. A refreshing break will help you recharge while taking care of your personal needs. You have a responsibility to look nice. A salon visit, a massage, and a green tea frappuccino are all part of my me time. As the old adage goes, when mom isn't happy, nobody is. Totoo din naman. Remember, it's not the time that you spend with someone, it's the energy that you bring to the time that you have together. So, what I'm saying is, kahit naka-quarantine tayo and we are working like this, you know, we still have time to be together. Hindi porke nasa bahay ka, minsan natitake na for granted talaga, di ba? So please make sure that you put quality time in it pa din. Tapos, try to be in the same routine. So usually at around 5 o'clock, lalabas ako ng pintuan, sasabihin ni Jun sa akin, oh, nakauwi ka na? May ganun pa. So, yan. And then I would say, before I enter the room, I would always say, bye, I'm gonna go work. I'm gonna get to work now. So, kiss muna ako sa kanya. Tapos paglabas ko, kumikiss din ako sa kanya. So, somehow, parang pareho pa din naman yung lifestyle. All because of working women like us. So put quality time in it. And of course, don't forget about yourself as you do. Alright? So, keep getting all these beautiful days because it's always a beautiful day. So again, thank you for listening and watching. This is Abbygale Arenas, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do that now. And then if you have comments or reactions or even suggestions, please write them in the comment section below. And then hit the notification bell as well so that we will be able to notify you if we get new videos. All right? Thank you for listening. See you again next week. Mwah! Have a beautiful day.